Hi guys, are you a business owner finding it difficult to set up a proper accounting and bookkeeping record the right way with confidence? Are you an accountant that cannot prepare a financial statement? Or you are a student currently studying business, finance or accounting related courses? If yes is your answer, then this is for you. My name is Samuel Onaino, lead consultant at Donzen Accounting Hub with over 6 years experience in the industry. Over the years, I've helped both startup and multi-million naira companies across the sector set up a proper and functioning accounting system, which has led to expansion and growth in revenue. I want to quickly show you how you can prepare your financial report as a business owner, an aspiring entrepreneur, a fresh graduate, or an existing accountant without prior bookkeeping, accounting, or financial reporting skills. For this reason, Donzen Accounting Hub has put out this unique workshop which offers you the opportunity to acquire additional accounting certifications, gain practical experience, and more importantly, this can either help you get employed or run a successful business. To start, now go to your bank statement and you can see the date column, the date that the transaction happened. So just copy the date as it appeared on your bank statement, copy it and just come to this work area and paste under the Zenith Bank. All right, if that's your bank you are using. Now, if the transactions, those transactions that happened on the bank statement, so the descriptions, go to that narratives, then you can copy them and paste under the Zenith Bank. All right, copy and paste them here. Now, the money going in, the money coming into your business, like in this general ledger, so is the money that came into your bank account for the month of January for Zenith Bank, for instance. So all the inflows that came in, money that came into your bank, you can see it under the money into the business. Just copy it and paste them under this column. Now, all the total debits, all the debits, respective debits you have made for the month of January for Zenith Bank, now copy it. You see money going out, under the money money out of your business. There are the debits on your on the all those debits you have made on your bank statement. So just copy them and come and paste them here. All right. Now you go to the second bank. All right. Do the same for second bank. If you have any other bank again, ask them to send you, like Providence Bank, the date that the transaction happened on the bank statement in an Excel format. Copy it and paste it here. All right. That's the second banking transaction. So the descriptions of those transactions, copy it and paste. Once you paste them here, then you go to the money inflows. All right. All the inflow that came into your bank statement, copy them and put them under the money in. All right, on this worksheet. So all the debits you have made for Providence Bank, copy those debits. All right, respective debits transactions, copy them and put them under these line items. All right, so it's a line item, just horizontal line item. So once you have done that, so let's go to the third item. I'm showing you now. If you have just one bank account, no problem. Just use the bank account you have. But if you have 2, 3, 4, 5, it's the same thing. Just do what I'm asking you to do now. Now, you will just, all the petty cash expenses for the month, those administrative expenses, just the date it happened under the petty cash, put the dates under the date column, the same thing, and the respective descriptions for those petty cash expense. So you just have to, let me just change this. This is petty cash expense. All right. Okay. So yes. So those under the description, copy them and paste them. What you use the money for: toilet tissue, logistics to site, bottled water, seaway water, air freshener, and all of that. So copy those administrative expenses and put under your petty cash. So the money in is the is the reimbursement, all right? So that's the petty cash float for the month. So you just put it under the money, and that's you withdrew it from where? From Zenith Bank, and you are receiving it here, okay? Now, money coming into the petty cash, then all the expenses, money that goes out, all the money that goes out of the petty cash, you just put them here. All right, so that's what you do, and you can see you have entered your transactions for the month. Now, the next thing you want to do is begin to analyze this begin your analysis. So this is what accountants do. And so now begin to analyze the money going out. So this 50,000 naira, let us say it's an expense. Just go to your account type, select it. What kind of expense? Is it a cost of sales? Is it related to earning your revenue? Okay, let's put it as cost of sales. Now, under the cost of sales, so what is the related account that you see? Just look at a related item that is close to this that describe this account type. Cost of sales is your direct cost. It's directly related to your earning of revenue. All right. So you can see that cost of sales in your profit and loss account, 50,000 naira has appeared. You can see your net income automatically has reduced. Okay, now I want to do something. Maybe you have discount. You give discount to a client or sales returns. All right, they bought something and they have to return it again. So now let us write off this. Let's okay this money, this 120,000 naira is meant for what? 20,000 naira is meant for sales discount, but it's an expense. You just have to select your expense, go to your account classification, and select let's say sales discount. All right, I want to show you something, because most people don't know how to account for the sales discount, and you made sales and they have to return it, and they just sum up everything as to be revenue. Now that's wrong. So you can see that the 120,000 naira has reduced your gross revenue. That's your gross revenue from 1 million to now 880,000 net sales. Let us have a net loss so that you will see what will happen there. So let me just put 3 million naira as expenses in the month of February. Okay. This cost of sales, let me put it as 3 million. Let me change it from 100,000 to 3 million. All right, 3 million. This is 3 million naira. So let's see what happens when this is done. So you now begin to know exactly what happens in your business. You can see that automatically your net, it's no longer a net income, it's not a net loss. It is in red. It's showing that your business is making a loss here. And you can see that by how much, by what your gross loss is by 1 million. You can see instantly which is the business, the revenue is not enough to cater for your expense. So most business, you're not able to analyze this. You're not able to you can see what happens there. You can just have net loss in red. It's showing that you already in red, you know by how much.
And here's the best part. Even if you have zero skill, we are confident and intentional about what we are bringing to the table. Become irresistible, indispensable, and watch your competence level and career improve significantly after attending this workshop. All you have to do to start is click the link below and sign up. See you there.